What if you could code just by typing what you want in plain English? No more digging through documentation or copying snippets from forums. Just tell your computer what to do, and it writes the code for you. That future isn't far off. In fact, it's already here, and it's available right from your terminal. OpenAI Codex CLI is a command line interface that connects you directly to OpenAI's powerful Codex model, the same AI that powers tools like GitHub Copilot. But instead of needing an editor or browser plugin, Codex CLI brings that same intelligence straight into your terminal. It allows you to interact with the AI using natural language. You can describe tasks or ask questions in plain English, and Codex responds with accurate, usable code. It's like having an AI coding assistant ready to help you, right from your command line. This tool isn't just for writing code. It can explain complex code snippets, generate documentation, help with debugging, translate code between languages, and even assist with learning new programming concepts, all through simple CLI commands. The beauty of Codex 151 is in its simplicity. It's lightweight, fast, and fits seamlessly into a developer's workflow, especially for those who prefer working directly in the terminal environment. Whether you're a beginner looking for guidance or an experienced developer aiming to speed up repetitive tasks, Codex CLI can be a powerful part of your toolkit. It's designed to save time, reduce friction, and help you stay focused on building, not searching for solutions or writing boilerplate. Comment your thoughts below and let us know what you think about AI in the terminal. Be sure to check our channel for the latest in AI technology, and don't forget to subscribe for future AI updates.